has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Logan County, northwestern Christian County, Sangamon County, until 6:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was over Illinois State Fairgrounds, or near Springfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm... Today, you're at... me from... Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Springfield, Sherman, Riverton, and Illinois State Fairgrounds around 5:35 p.m. Dawson around 5:45 p.m. Buffalo around 5:50 p.m. The roll over big trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Springfield, Sherman, Riverton, and Illinois State Fairgrounds around 5:35 p.m. Dawson around 5:45 p.m. Buffalo around 5:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Mechanicsburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 88 and 113. Interstate 72 between mile markers 82 and 124.